Hi guys, welcome back to today's video. Today, we're going to be doing a October the 14th sound off. So, let's get into it. So, since I don't want to blow this panel up anymore, the rest of the devices I have are on their own separate power supply. On the main system though, we have a Advance classic remote strobe, another classic remote strobe, a horn strobe. This is the doorbell, but I will be sounding it off today. And then you have that guy. So we will be having a whole crack ton of alarms be sounding today. I'll put this on medium volume. Okay. Alright. I don't have a proper doorbell switch yet. Okay. So this is a supervisory strobe. Alright guys, so if you like videos like this and want to see more of it, please let me know down in the comment section down below. Happy October 14th. National Fire Alarm Day. And, see ya guys down on the road of next October the 14th. Alright guys, bye.